Do you look at the top billionaires of the world? You look at Bill Gates, who made $124 billion, then you look at Elon Musk, who earned $151 billion, and then you look at Jeff Bezos, who made it to the richest man in the world, with a net worth of $177 billion. After looking at these riches, you look at yourself, you find yourself struggling with your job, just trying to meet your daily expenses. You look yourself yearning for that beautiful house you saw in the posh area of the capital, you look yourself longing for your favorite sports car, and you find yourself pining for those Gucci bags and Rolex watches. A question arises in your mind, asking you, what made those men so rich, and what made you so mediocre? You persuade yourself that it was all about luck. They were born with it, and you are not. If this is the answer you have for all the troubles in your life, we want you to know you are wrong. Do you want to find the gateway to success? Do you want to know how you can be amongst the top riches of the world? Stay with us till the end, because we believe, and we will make you believe, that success can be earned. We believe billionaires are not born, they're made. Maybe there's a billionaire in making, and maybe that's you. The first secret step to start building your wealth is change your mindset about money. Our society makes us think that a person can be rich only in two ways. The first one is they either inherit that money from their ancestors, and the second one is an evil personality who goes beyond ethical limits to make money. But let's discuss the actual statistics. Studies from throughout the world told that 67.7% of the riches with a net worth bigger than 30 million were self-made. 23.7% of the total were having a combination of inherited and self-made money. The rest 8.5% were only seen as those who inherited this giant amount as an inheritance. Let's talk about Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Larry Page, Sergey Brin, or Sara Blakely. All are self-made billionaires. None of them inherited any money from their ancestors. They all made it themselves by putting in their efforts, their ideas, and their creativity. The second secret step is entrepreneurship. You work at a job place, and you get money based on the hours of effort you put in. Suppose you get $25 an hour for working 40 hours a week. It will take you 20 years to earn $1 million, excluding all the taxes and the expenses. It might make you old enough just to make $1 million without even spending a penny on yourself. So what do you think, how those riches became billionaires at such a young age? It was because they had a better mindset than you. They understood entrepreneurship, and they made their goal happen. The third secret step is building your market value. Suppose you work at a company as an accountant, there's another person who works at the same company, but as a cleaner. Both of you work 8 hours continuously, but you get paid higher than him. Why? Because the cleaner can be replaced by anyone, but an accountant can only be replaced by an accountant, and that too an experienced one. This is your market value, which makes you earn more at the same time. Now it's up to you to decide what value you earn for yourself. What made Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk so valuable? It was because they were problem solvers. If you identify a problem, you solve it, you throw it at the market, the public will surround you and pay for merchandise to get the solution. The more valuable solution you bring, the more you can earn. If you solve a millionaire problem, you'll get millions. Similarly, if you solve $1 billion problem, you'll get paid accordingly. So, if you're rushing behind money, stop. Go find the problems and then the solution. Jeff Bezos found the problem of rushing towards the market every time you need something. That's when he introduced Amazon and saved people's money, time, and effort. Resultantly, he made billions of dollars for creating this solution. Find what people need, what makes them frustrated, dig into it, and come up with a solution. Now, when there's a problem, and you have the solution, step 4 is, make that solution go global. Starting a coffee shop is a business, but it's limited to an area or a city. But if you open a coffee franchise, that is something scalable. It will go from city to city, country to country, or even global. Target a bigger audience. Use the sources such as the internet and social media to empower your solution. Fifth, now is the time for the reward. You spend your energy, your time, and efforts building a sustainable solution to the problem. You brought it to the forefront, and now is the time for you to make that acquisition. Think about how Instagram was sold to Facebook for $1 billion, how PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. If you don't want to sell, up to you. Continue your baby business, grow it, and make that money out of it. Are you ready to become the billionaire you always dreamed about? Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to Success Dose for more.